Natatandaan ko ba nung high school pa lang tayo, nagsimula na tayo mag-date before. Pero hindi naman tayo nagkatuloy. We parted ways and we had different lives. Busy ako sa Australia, busy ka din dito. And 8 years after we parted ways, I had a dream. It was you proposing to me. Hindi tayo together that time. Pero akala ko, dream lang siya. But when I knew you were also dreaming about me, I knew it was something different. I knew it was God joining us together. So I reached out to you, and unconditionally, you accepted me, despite the time that I left. When we started talking again for the second time, I knew you were the one. With you, I felt peace. You make me feel secure. You are a diamond and you are my best. Thank you dahil sobrang mahalagain mo. Madalas mo ako pinaglutuan ng masarap na pagkain ko ulit ako. Pag pumapasok ako ng trabaho, ikaw nag-volunteer, ayusin ko ko, tilintas mo ko. Ikaw naging comfort ko sa tuwing may nararamdaman ako. You always cover me in prayer. Salamat at nag-stay ka pa din kahit alam kong hindi naging madali para sa iyo yung journey natin. Hindi mo ako iniwan at hindi ka sumuko. From this day forward, as I leave everything behind for a new life together, I will always choose you no matter what. Pangako ko sa iyo na hindi ka na mag-iisa. Kung noon hinaharap mo ang problema mag-isa, pangako ngayon kasama mo na ako palagi sa lahat ng challenges sa buhay at we will conquer our mountaintops together until we reach our breakthroughs. Pangako sa iyo na papakinggan kita sa lahat ng kwento mo. I can also be your crying shoulder. Magbibuild tayo ng bagong pamilya, and I promise to be the wife that we deserve. And I will love you until my last breath. Amen.